Here we have a 2015 F-Type Jaguar 3 litre V6. There's 19-inch alloy wheels with the usual specification. Beautiful full red leather interior. It's automatic, memory seats. 6,872 miles. That was not a misprint on the screen. It is done less than 7,000 miles from new. In stunning condition throughout. Another plate is staying on the car. That's all the usual Jaguar refinement and little details. Jaguar on the grills. This is the S model. Full detail specifications are on our website. White with black with the red brake calipers complementing it as well. Just adds to the whole look of the car. Fantastic sports tourer, available through Allon White Sports Cars. 01234 750 205, and yes, it generally is 6,800 miles from new. Thank you for viewing.